In this video, we are going to be summarizing LCM and HCF. I'm going to be showing you the easy methods I use in finding LCM and HCF of numbers. The LCM of a number or set of a number is the smallest number that can divide all the given numbers without a remainder. Lowest common multiple. Let's say that the given numbers are 4, 6, and 8. First you have to do is to list out the multiples of each of the numbers so that we can find the LCM, we can get the LCM. Multiple of a given number are those numbers which the given number can divide without a remainder. So the multiples of 4 are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. The multiples of 6 are 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. Now, how do we identify the LCM of these three numbers? What we have to do now is to go from the left hand side to the right hand side. We're going to pick the number that is common to these three numbers, and this number is 24. So 24 is the LCM of 4, 6, and 8. It is the lowest number which 4, 6, and 8 can divide without a remainder. If you keep going down the row, you'll find out that there are other numbers which 4, 6, and 8 can divide apart from 24. But 24 is the lowest. That is why it is the lowest common multiple of these three numbers. Highest common factor. We are now dealing with factors of 4, 6, and 8. We're going to list down the factors of 4, 6, and 8, which I've just listed down, and we are going to find the highest common factor of these three numbers. The highest common factor, we're going to move from the right hand side to the left hand side and pick the first common number to these three numbers, and from our observation the number is 2. 2 is the highest common factor of 4, 6, and 8. Why is 2 the highest common factor? 2 is the highest number that can divide these three numbers without a remainder. You see, factors of a number are those numbers which can divide the given number without a remainder. But what is HCF? HCF of a number or set of number is the highest number which can divide all the given numbers without a remainder. Let's find the LCM of two numbers like 6 and 8. The first thing we have to do is to place the numbers on a 2-column table. Then we will have to divide 6 and 8 by a prime factor. And since 6 and 8 are even numbers, we're going to start with 2. 6 and 8 divided by 2, we're going to get 3 and 4 respectively. The next prime number should be 3. 3 divide 3, we're going to get 1, and 3 divide 4, 3 cannot divide 4. 4 is indivisible by 3. So we're going to bring 4 down. The next number I'm going to use is 4. 4 can divide 1, so I'm going to bring it down. 4 divide 4, we're going to get 1, so all 1s. The LCM is equal to the product of all the divisors, 2 times 3 times 4, which equal 24. So the LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to 24. That's our answer. Let's find the LCM of 9 and 7. If you don't write it this way, we can also write it this way. It means the same thing. So as usual, we're going to put 9 and 7 on a table. The first number we're going to use is 3. 3 divide 9 is going to give us 3. 3 divide 7. 7 is non-divisible by 3, so we're going to bring 7 down. And the next number we're going to use is 3. 3 divide 3 is going to give us 1, and 3 divide 7, the same, we're going to bring it down. Now, the next number we're going to use is 7. 7 divide 1, it can't go, so bring it down, and 7 divide 7 equals 1. So we'll just bring down the divisors and multiply them to get the LCM, which is 63. But the product of 9 and 7 is equal to 63. This means that the HCF of 9 and 7 is equal to 1. I'm going to explain later. Let's find the LCM of two-digit numbers like 88 and 52. As usual, we're going to put them in a table and divide them by prime numbers. We're going to start from 2. 2 divide 88 is going to give us 44, and 2 divide 52 is going to give us 26. 2 divide 44 is going to give us 22, and 2 divide 26 is going to give us 13 down the row. The next number we're going to use is 11. 11 divided by 11 is going to give us 1, and 11 cannot divide 13, so we're going to bring it down. And the next will be 13. 13 divided by 1, going to bring it down, and 13 divided by 13 is going to give us 1 as the resultant. So we're going to bring our divisors down and multiply them to get our LCM. 2 times 2 times 2 times 11 times 13 is equal to 1144. So 1144 is the LCM of 88 and 52. The LCM ladder method is the most easy method I use to find LCM because I don't have to think too much about finding prime numbers or listing down numbers as usual. We can actually use the LCM ladder method to find the LCM of 4 different numbers like 5, 9, 7, and 6. Let's find the LCM. We're gonna put them in a table and divide them by prime numbers. It's just the same process. We're just gonna multiply the divisors to get our answer as usual. 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7 is equal to 630. This is the LCM of 5, 9, 7, and 6. Let's talk about HCF. I'm looking for a method where I don't have to list down the common factors of any number. It's way stressful. I need an easy method. I'm going to use a formula. The formula says that the HCF of the given number is equal to the product of the given number, all divided by the LCM of the given number. Keeping this in mind, HCF of 5, 9, 7, and 6 is equal to the product of 5, 9, 7, and 6, all divided by the LCM of 5, 9, 7, and 6. So the product of 5, 9, 7, and 6 means that we're going to multiply 5, 9, 7, and 6 together, all divided by the LCM, which is 630. We're going to multiply them to get 630. And 630 divided by 630 is equal to 1. This is why I said earlier that since the product of 9 and 7 is equal to 63, which is also their LCM, their HCF must be 1. This is the formula. Let's find the HCF of 56 and 98. Using the same formula, we're going to solve for the HCF of 56 and 98. HCF of 56 and 98 is equal to 56 times 98, all divided by the LCM of 56 and 98. We don't know the LCM, so we have to find it by using the LCM ladder method we've been using, and boom, 392. So we're going to multiply 56 and 98 to get 5488. 5488 divided by 392 is equal to 14. So 14 is the HCF of 56 and 98. That's our final answer. You should always remember this formula because we could also use it to find the LCM of numbers if we know the HCF already, or if the HCF is given. Because LCM is equal to the product all divided by the HCF. Let's solve some few examples with this formula. If the HCF of 56 and 98 is equal to 14 and their product is equal to 5488, find their LCM. So from the formula, LCM is equal to product over HCF. So the product is equal to 56 times 98, which is 5488 divided by 14. Our answer is 392 as we have here. You can actually solve some more with this formula because I find it really helpful, especially in finding the HCF of numbers. If you have any question you would like to ask, drop it in the comment section below. That's all for this video. See you on the next one.